I've been dancing here for 5 years and I've heard every story in this city. I know all the faces, all the wrong people. I know you never cross the alchemist. He owns this city. He controls the business and the people. I've heard all the made-up stories and all the true ones, but there is no difference. And yet, Will is different. I can't help getting pulled into his story. A love story. It's the story of...
how I died. For a girl. Of course, it's always the pretty ones that get you killed. But she was shot too. In the eyes, you know? Like a hawk. Anyway, it starts with a job for a cop. The only clean one in the city. He wanted me to pick up this box. Didn't say why. I'm always in the dark. I was out for a heavy night. I'd collected this epic box on a quest for the detective. In the dead of night. Earned a lot of street cred too. When this girl saw me, she came over, started chatting me up straight from cold. But as if we're old friends. Her name's...
Paloma.
And after a few drinks, smokes and jokes, we found we share a circle of friends. I went back there 3 nights in a row before I saw her again.
Buy me another drink? I want to know what you're doing here. You seem like a nice guy. This isn't the city for nice guys, Will.
I don't know. I never tried to be good or bad. Just stay out of trouble.
I have a secret. I think I'll tell you. This city, it's not like anywhere else. Anywhere else you don't have to be afraid of trouble. Don't you want your freedom? I know what you want. But not yet. Not tonight. Get your phone. Add me to your friends list.
She gives me her number, then a smile. So I'm still holding this little box for that cop, when it's nothing, it's just a box. But I got paid a lot of gold, and I'm still holding it. Nice trinket, I guess. Anyways, 3 days after meeting her, Paloma calls.
Will, you've got to help me. The alchemist, he whispered me. Told me to pass a package to a vendor. But I've got a tail and now I'm pulling aggro. I'm in the gutter looking up at the stars. Please, help me. Sorry. I'm sorry. The alchemist, he said he'd kill me if I didn't help him. He's promised to help me escape. He wants you.
Hey!